How to use WhatsApp multiple device login. Well, to use WhatsApp on multiple devices, you can use the linked devices feature. Now, what you want to do is on your second device that you like to log in WhatsApp on, you want to install WhatsApp application and open it up. If you're using your desktop or such, you can head into WhatsApp web, and on the login page, what you want to do is you want to proceed to select the linked devices option. Now on your old device where your WhatsApp is already logged in, you want to head into profile. If you're using Android, you head into settings. From there, select link devices. Now on Android, tap on the three dots and then link devices. On iOS or iPhone, you want to head into link devices from your profile page. Then from here, you want to select link a device option. As you can see, I have multiple devices logged in. Now it should give you a QR code on your new device that you're trying to log in on. You want to scan with this using your logged in device. Now you can see I have two LinkedIn devices. I can control it and I can log it out anytime from here as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.